still believe, of course, that gold and copper production are on track to rise this year in the second half. He joins me from Toronto. I mean, we could talk about the sort of the mechanics of your production, but in terms of the product that you're bringing out, you have a big problem, which of course is that inflation comes down and therefore gold is no longer the hedge required in quite the same way.
So, hello, Richard. Long time since we've spoken. First of all, just to put something to correct you a bit, and that is that Q2, this last quarter, is the highest average gold price ever for a quarter, for 3 months in a row. So, everyone looks at gold and says it's not going up, or it's not going down, or it's going up and down too fast. But it's certainly at a high end of its profile. And some people will say it's going to go higher as the interest rates come off. Some people say it's already high because the global economy is risk on at the moment. And there's no better way to see that when you listen to Wall Street compared to the Fed. So definitely a high gold price scenario and probably more upside. Copper, just from your previous conversation, is a critical metal, and we have both and are growing that production. So
now that's interesting. That is interesting. The sort of, in a sense, the production, whether it's raw metals or rare metals, or the production of those metals and ores required by the new digital economy is going to be phenomenal.
Yes, and Richard, also to that point, sorry to sort of pivot you back to your last interview.
Sure.
One thing that we all miss in the United States is that, are we expecting to have all battery cars in California and condemn the rest of the world to eternal poverty? Or do we appreciate that actually to really deliver something that's meaningful for future generations, we need to develop the world in a different way? We need to industrialize, not in the way that the West did in the last 100 years. And to do that, we need lots of mining, responsible mining. And so this is a global story. It's a mining story. And we can have all the IT in the world, but we also need the metals. And so the argument is, and I agree with you 100%, we've got to focus on green energy, not green energy in our cars charged by dirty energy, but green energy, green grids more importantly, right. And copper is key to that.
So one of the debates we've been having on Quest Means Business is where, and I don't like really the phrase ESG because it brings in so many other issues. But if we just, if we tighten to just climate issues, however you want to define that, where is this on your list of priorities? You're going to tell me it's top 5 probably, but where?
No, we're one of the few mining companies that have a real plan to get to 2030 on plan of our reduction. And it's a managed plan, and it actually gives a return. That's important. So, I've always said that if you don't have a clear destination, any road will take you there. So we have that plan. You look at the Paris Accord, it's the wrong place to have this conversation because it's a bunch of privileged economies trying to dictate to the rest of the world that has no carbon footprint. This is a real issue for the developed world. And one of the big challenges is, how does the developed world create investability in the developing or underdeveloped world?
That is a subject for you and I to get to grips with on another day.